On the show today, the foodie continues its adventure to find great new places and great new food. So come along with me as we head to the holy town of Ajmer. Hello and welcome to The Foodie. The Foodie this time is in a small little oasis surrounded by the Aravalli Mountains. The Foodie is in Ajmer. So come with me as we discover the food and the life of Ajmer. Come along. The one thing you cannot miss when you come to Ajmer is the Ajmer Sharif or the Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. This is where people from all faiths, all religions come and ask for their wishes to come true. I'm going to do exactly that as a beginning to this episode in Ajmer. So come with me and let's join the faithful. Okay, I'm now entering the Buland Darwaza, which takes you straight to the Dargah of Khwaja Chishti. Said that when you tie a dhaga over here, whatever you wish comes true, and then when the wish comes true, you come back to Dargah Sharif and remove the dhaga. Well, I'm wishing for some good things in life, and I will hopefully come back. Okay, this is probably the world's largest cooking pot. People of all faith come over here and donate money, rice, sweetmeats, all the mewa, and it's a pure vegetarian pot, and this gets cooked and it's fed to people who are needy and as like a prasad. It's amazing. I've never seen such a large cooking pot in my life before. I've had a great darshan of the Dargah. I'm hoping that all my wishes will come true. And now it's time to listen and watch the faith of the people as they sing this Qawwali. Okay, I'm walking in the narrow by lanes that surround the Dargah, and I've been told that there is fantastic food in these lanes. So that's what I'm going to set out looking for, food. Okay, this looks fantastic. Bhaiya, kya hai yahan? एक प्लेट में थोड़ा ये थोड़ा देर टेस्ट करने को दीजिए. I've got keema, I've got bheja, and I've got some mutton liver over here. I've got my roti. I'm going to stand on the road and eat it. To start with the bheja. This bheja, I must say, is great. I just wish he hadn't put capsicum in it, but otherwise, fantastic. It's hot, spicy, with a mix of masalas that I can't really decipher. You know, a lot of times in these places, all the masalas look like they've been made out of one curry. But this looks different. The mutton liver is a killer. It's just too good. And now for the keema. Keema is one of my favorite dishes. Try it, baby. You mix up the kaleji and keema and eat it together. It's even better. Fabuloso. Great. Now that I've eaten this, there's a great stall down the road which is serving some other stuff. Come, let's go. कैसे हो?
बढ़िया है।
बढ़िया है। क्या क्या है ये? कीमा, दाल और ये
शीरमान।
तो मुझे शीरमल दीजिए और वहाँ कुछ कबाब दिखाई दे रहे हैं। वो कबाब अगर हाँ, एक प्लेट कबाब और शीरमल। चलो शीरमल। I'm going to start with the शीरमल. It's just too tempting to. Oh great, soft, sweet, fluffy. Every good word that I can think of, the शीरमल tastes. And this is a Shami kebab. Even the Shami kebab is delicately spiced. The spice does not overpower the taste of the meat. And really soft and juicy, if I can call that. और कुछ दीजिए ना मुझे। दाल नहीं चाहिए। थोड़ा एक चम्मच थोड़ा डाल दो। The salan being given to me. Oh, this salan's good. Kebab with shirmal with a little bit of ghost ka salan. Fantastic. Oh my God, this street is maddening because every corner that I turn to, there's all this food. I mean, besides all the salons here, look at this biryani. It's so colorful. They've got all these mirchis and ghosts and oh, I must eat some. एक चम्मच देना मेरे को. Aha, mutton biryani on the streets of Ajmer. Let's taste it. I'm very particular about my biryani. I hope this meets my great standards. It's not bad at all. You know, the great thing about this biryani is that it's got this tremendous smoky flavor to the meat. It's nice and spicy. And I think the main spice in this biryani is green chili. That's why I can. What a place this is. You come out of the dargah after taking darshan, and then you're hungry, and then everywhere there's just food, and more food. Okay, I'm going to finish this. I'm going to try something sweet after this. Jalebi, but this is not just jalebi, okay? You're going to discover something that I just about discovered. Doodh jalebi. What is doodh jalebi? Milk with jalebi. See how it's made and then let's taste it. Okay, here we are. This I don't even know what to say about this. This is jalebi with milk and malai. And you're supposed to drink this. What a concept, man. Doodh and jalebi. See how the color of the jalebi, the yellow of the jalebi gets into the milk and becomes this unusual warm milkshake.